Extremely confident Arvind Kejriwal has now declared that the fight for 2014 will be between his party and the BJP, completely dismissing the so-called Rahul factor. Kejriwal says that the Congress is not even in the picture and that the people have only two options to choose from, which is either the AAP or the BJP.
देश का आने वाला लोकसभा का चुनाव इस बार सीधे बीजेपी और आम आदमी की पार्टी के बीच में लड़ा जाएगा. कांग्रेस कहीं पिक्चर में नहीं है.
Delhi Chief Minister throwing the gauntlet, stating that the upcoming general elections will be a head-to-head battle between the BJP and the AAP, sidelining the Congress. Kejriwal's direct message not going down too well with the Congress.
अगर अहंकार आएगा तो अहंकार कभी भी फायदेमंद नहीं होता है. लोकसभा दिल्ली नहीं है. विधानसभा लोकसभा में बहुत फर्क होता है. लोकसभा के चुनाव के अंदर कांग्रेस पार्टी सरकार बनाएगी.
While making the AAP's national ambitions loud and clear, Arvind Kejriwal took a dig at the BJP, declaring that the voters' choice in the upcoming 2014 polls was simple.
देश के सामने अब चॉइस है. एक तरफ भारतीय जनता पार्टी है जिसमें भ्रष्टाचार कभी कोई मुद्दा ही नहीं रहा है. उसमें येडियुरप्पा भी है, उसमें निशंक भी है, उसमें कई सारे और मंत्री हैं. और दूसरी तरफ आम आदमी पार्टी है जो इस देश के अंदर एक नई राजनीति की बात कर रही है, एक ईमानदार राजनीति की, सच्ची राजनीति की बात कर रही है. तो इस बार चुनाव जो है वो इन दोनों विचारधाराओं के बीच में लड़ा जाएगा.
But the BJP was not willing to take the Delhi Chief Minister's statement lying down.
I think Arvind Kejriwal, particularly after taking the Congress support to form the government in Delhi, has now officially become a part of the Congress-led UPA. Hence, it's not very surprising that he seeks to attack the BJP. Let me only say this, that the BJP-led NDA government shall be formed after the Lok Sabha elections in 2014, and Narendra Modi will be the Prime Minister of our country.
100 days to the general elections and the war of words escalating, with the AAP determined to make its presence felt nationally.
Arvind Kejriwal has categorically said that it will be a direct contest between the Bharatiya Janata Party and the Aam Aadmi Party in these Lok Sabha elections of 2014. And the Congress will nowhere be seen in the picture. But the moot question now remains that will the Aam Aadmi Party be able to replicate this into votes in these Lok Sabha elections? In New Delhi with video journalist Imtiaz, this is Aditya Raj Kaul for Times Now.